Right guys, let's get this fire started. It's going to get cold tonight, so I want a good fire. Also need a good fire for the cook up. So just while I get the meal prepared, go grab yourself a drink. This will take a few minutes to get ready. I'll do a few other little things in preparation. Kick back on the lounge, get settled in, and hope you enjoy this one. Hey guys, welcome to camp. Just going to get the fire started. It's camp cook up time. Tonight's cook up, I'm going to do a butterfly chicken, sort of Greek style I suppose. I've already spiced it up at home, marinated it. I'll run through that shortly with you. On the side of that, I'm going to do my normal vegetables, potato, carrot, pumpkin. Got some sweet potato as well, and also a lime, just to finish it off at the end. It is early winter here in Australia. Now, if this was summer, I'd still get away with doing the barbecue chicken, but I would probably do a Greek salad on the side, just to finish it off properly. Alright guys, we're going to get into it now. Probably maybe an hour, because the vegetables will take a little while to cook. I might run out of daylight again, so let's see how I go. Righto, I said go grab a drink. Hopefully you got yours by now. If you've been watching long enough, you'll know I drink Jim Beam. As I said, got the fire going over there. Let's run through what I've got. Butterfly chicken. As I said, I marinated that at home. Just some oils, a few spices, mixed herbs, a little bit of chili. So just call that a Greek style butterfly chicken. A couple of capsicums, lime, some carrots, pumpkin, sweet potato, and baby potatoes. Need to get these potatoes and that on early, the pumpkin and everything. Anyway, cheers guys. Let's get a little bit organised here. Let's do 2 carrots. Let's do 4 potatoes. So I'll do this as though I'm doing it for 2 people. You want to just knife the potatoes. These actually won't take long to cook through because they're that small. And just do the same with the pumpkin. Keep all your rubbish tidy. So a good dose of salt and pepper. Of course, I've already got the mixed herbs on the butterfly chicken. We'll throw some herbs in here as well. Good dose. Bit more. Now if you've got a aluminium tray, that'd be perfect as well. I'm just going to try to wrap all this up tight, and then I'll wrap it up in more alfoil. Right, that's just going to go on the fire. They're going to start cooking through. They might only take 45 minutes. The chicken will only take about 40 minutes. And then on the side, on the grill, I think I might throw these on whole and let them cook through. Just to char up a little bit, then we'll put it on the side of the plate. So the hot plate's not going to stay like that. It's just to get it up to temperature while that wood cooks through. Once the wood's or the timber has cooked through the middle and dropped in the fire pit, I'll put the hot plate across from end to end like I normally do. So I'm going to get into the cook up now, get that started so that it won't be dark. We've still probably got 2 hours of sunlight, so there's plenty of time. Get that on, and then I can just sit back, relax, and enjoy and have a drink. Right, just going to put the vegetables over here. Right, so as we know, that pan's hot. So it's a butterfly chicken, so you want to spread it out and try to get it on in one go. Right guys, so what I've just done, I've actually turned the chicken. Now, I wanted it to be charcoal on one side or close to charcoal on the skin side. Now on the flesh side, I just want it to cook through slowly. What I'll probably do in a minute or two is I'll take the hot plate off to the side and just let the heat of the hot plate cook it through. I've also turned the vegetables, and I'll let them cook through just where they are off to the side a little bit, and just let the heat of the fire cook them slowly. But I don't want the chicken to dry out and overcook, so I'll have to just keep an eye on that. Obviously with the chicken like it is, there's some thinner spots, and in the middle around the breast there's thicker spots, so it'll take longer to cook. So I just have to keep an eye on that. Just gonna have the capsicums on. Actually, I'll put them on the fire. So the chicken's just over to the side, just cooking through. Just got some more wood on the fire. It'll take off shortly. And when it takes off, we'll just cook these capsicums a bit, get them a little bit of char grill on them. The vegetables should be almost done. We'll probably give them another couple of minutes over the fire once the fire kicks off again. And then dinner should be close to being ready. Again, this meal, there's plenty of food. This would serve 3 or 4 people quite easily. Right, as I said, I'm just going to char these off slightly in the fire. Probably have to get the chicken back over here shortly as well. The vegetables, turn them. Chicken won't be far off it. Not really sure about the capsicums. This is the first time I've tried this, so. Chicken's looking really good. Just keep working those capsicums. Rightio. I think the chicken's cooked. As I said, I don't want to dry the chicken out, so I'm going to remove that from the heat. The capsicums are cooked, and I'm pretty sure the vegetables will be close as well. So I'll get that ready and I'll serve it up. Right guys, let's see how this has turned out. So much food. Let's get rid of this first. Hopefully these vegetables, they should be done. I'm confident. The chicken looks beautiful, looks awesome. That's hot. Clean that up in a second. I got a bush turkey here. He thinks he's going to get some of this. He's kidding himself. Now, what I'll do, let's just, let's cut a couple of really need some better knives, hey. Now this wasn't a hard cook up, it might look a little bit flash. I'm going to tidy this up, present it a little bit better for you, get a few photos, and then it's time to eat. So, Greek style butterfly chicken with pumpkin, potato, carrot and sweet pumpkin, and roasted green and red capsicum. Right here guys, let's have a go at this. Let's take one of these chicken pieces, some vegetables. I got a visitor. Some carrot, some sweet potato. I missed some greens. Hey, I know a few of you will be saying, where's your greens? What have we got? Capsicum. Let's see if we can, let's work out how we're going to cut this up. Guys, so much food. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. I really wasn't sure about how this one would turn out. So give it a go on this one. There was a bit of preparation at home in regards to the butterfly chicken, getting that seasoned to what I wanted. Other than that, 45-50 minutes to cook it, do all the prep work. Nice easy camp cook up. Something a little bit different. Let's get a bit of lime on here. Just all over. See how this one goes. I'm going to hook in. Knife's not the best. Cut through the chicken easily. The knife I picked out is actually a butter knife. And just watch this. Craig can camp cook. A few more bourbons. I won't be able to say it, so I'll get it out there now. Plenty of leftovers to last me throughout the week. Job done. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. You'll get notified there's another video coming out. Appreciate it guys. Travel safely.